how to copy and paste clips on Capcut. So what we'll do is open our Capcut here, and we'll simply click on new project, where we can create a new project here. I will give you a tutorial by creating a new project here. Here after creating a new video here, we can simply choose any video that we like. Here I'm choosing this one, and after choosing we can simply cut the part that we want to copy. And here I am cutting this much part, and yeah, after cutting it we can simply see a lot of options here, where we have to search for duplicate. We can simply click on it, and yeah, we can see that now we have an copy and pasted it, and we can adjust and edit. And yeah, that is how we can copy and paste clips on Capcut.